Hi, I'm Jamie, General Manager, Rick Hendrick BMW Mini Charleston here. Just wanted to share some exciting times with you guys as we are going through complete renovations of our new car showroom as well as expanding our service drive. We want to take a minute to thank you for your patience as we go through this. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different getting into the service drive, so we wanted to take a second, show you where to go so that you're a little more comfortable when you come in to have your BMW serviced. As you come in off of Savannah Highway, you come straight towards the new construction and then take a left towards the Mini building. We're actually sharing a service drive with the Mini department right now. When you come down, you're going to follow the signs here to come straight to the Mini service drive. As you can see, we have a BMW sign and Mini here, so all are welcome. As usual, you'll just pull right up to the door. The door will automatically go up for you. Please pull all the way to the end of the service drive, and one of our service professionals will be out shortly to assist you. As I always say, thank you so much for your cooperation and your patience as we go through this construction phase of growth for Rick Hendrick BMW. We're super excited for the future and glad that you're a part of it.